Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to implement the DML, that is data manipulation language commands. So let's say, so first we are going to create a database. Okay, so for creating a database we have a syntax: create database. Let's say I am creating a database with Avina. Okay, it will take few seconds for creating. uh, Now, yeah, we can see here create database. So now what we do, we just creating another we just see the what is the list of relationship we have. Okay, so for seeing the list of relationship in database, we use \d and then press enter. Then we see this too, we have a list of relationship. Okay, now what we do, now we see type just then type \l. Then we can see the list of database, uh, the list of database which is we have, like we can see here, this all previously I made this. Okay, I create this database. Now I am creating just Avino. Okay, so like now I am changing the database with Avino. Yeah, you can say that here, before with the help of this syntax \c, we can change this word here. Previously we have a Postgre, now we have a Avino. Okay, so now we are creating a table. Okay, so for creating a table we have create table with let's say prac. Okay, and in which I am giving a column name varchar. Okay, and this is not should be not null, it should not be null. And we have a second roll number. Roll number must be in int form, so we are writing here int, and it is primary key. Okay, then in second column we have subject, and subject is in the character, so we are taking here varchar. Okay, let's take and press enter. Yeah, we are creating the table. Okay, now let's see, now we see the list of database, list of relation we have. Yeah, we have a list of relationship relations in this. Okay, now what we do, just scroll down it here a little bit. Yeah, now we do \d, and we have a name as pract. Okay, just then press enter. Yeah, we can see the number of columns. We are giving a column name like name, roll number, and subject. So these are the name, roll number, and subject. And what is the types of each column? The so column is in varchar, not null. So here is name, which is character, and roll number is in integer, and subject is in character. Okay, now we are selecting the whole table. So for selecting the tables, we write a syntax: select star from prac. Okay, then press enter. Now we can see there is 0 column. So what we are just going to insert, yeah, this is actually the uh, DML, data manipulation language, in which we are insert, update, and delete. So we first we are going to insert some values in our this pract table. Okay, for inserting we are just write insert. Okay, into what is the table name with prac values. Okay, now we are putting a bracket here. Now we are giving a name, let's say I am giving a Ashwin. Okay, now then we have a roll number now. Then like let's say the roll number of Ashwin is 31 and subject he read DABMS. Okay, then put a semicolon here and press enter. Yeah, insert 01. Okay, now we will see. Now select star from prac. Now we see we have a here we can see we have a 0 row na. Now we see we have a 1 row. Yeah, you can see here is 1 row. Okay, yeah, now we have a now we done with this insert part. Okay, now we are going to insert more values in it, like insert into, okay, prac, in which values as well, values, and in which we are putting a, like let's say I'm giving a name Tom. Okay, and Tom is roll number is 30. Okay, and he is learning, let's say he is learning operating system subject. Now close the bracket, put the comma, and we are putting another bracket, let's say with the name Amit. Okay, Amit. Okay, comma, and the Amit has roll number 35 and he is learning DBMS as well. Okay, he is learning the same subject what Ashwin learn. Yeah, now we are pressing the enter. Yeah, we can see here. Okay, we are just adding a 1 row in it, so insert 01. Okay, now here we are pressing inserting 2 values in the table prac, so here is 02. Okay, now what we do, now we write select, yeah, select star from prac. Now we have 3 rows. Yeah, we have 3 rows in name Ashwin, Tom, Amit. Here we are putting Ashwin values, Tom, Amit, and these are their roll number, and these are the subject which they are selecting for their degree. Okay, now what we do, we are inserting some values as well, or then insert into prac values, like I'm inserting the name Tom again. Okay, and his roll number is 36. Yeah, 36, and he's choosing subject OS as well. Okay, yeah, now we are pressing the enter button. Now let's see what is the rows of select a star from prac. Yeah, you can see here is a 4 row. This is all about the insert part. This is the there is 2 left, like update part and the delete part. So we see these 2 parts in the next video because this video is too long. So that's all. Thank you.